First we have the donuts. Look at this guy is cool. He has a little skeleton cheese stole from the lion. And look, this is his sword. Looks pretty dangerous. Now we have next up we have Clo90. He's the guy who sneaks up into a trapdoor. This is what his face looks like. Scars. Finally, we have the bad guy guard, which is on the croc side. Very nice detail. Now we're up to Dun the croc swamp hideout. Soon, here's the little chair where Crocky controls the little jaw gate. See, look, just like a crocodile. This is where he controls it. Let me show you something. This looks like a wall, but look. This looks like a wall, but look. It's actually an open up door. Okay. Right here we have a little key. That's cool. That's cool. Now right here we have a white spike and a black spike. And I forgot, here's the eye, blue eye, gray eye. Pretty cool.
Okay, you're running out of time. You have to wrap it up.
Okay, here's one of them. Now to go for the other one. The
So the helmet you thought was worth it was $1,000.